I'm Darlene Miller, President and CEO of Permac Industries, and I have 36 dedicated and loyal employees. We manufacture components that are used in many different industries to include medical, avionics, aerospace, food and beverage, just to name a few. We use a lot of exotic metals in most of our parts and some plastics. It's really frustrating and continues to be a real issue for manufacturers like myself, where we hear the unemployment numbers, but yet we cannot find people skilled to come to work for our companies. We are constantly interviewing, but finding that the people we bring in do not have the math skills that are required to operate our equipment. This has been a problem for many years and continues to be so today. It's really difficult to grow our businesses when we cannot find the advanced skill sets that we need in order to continue to operate our businesses or to grow them. We can buy all the equipment we need, but we cannot find the skilled labor that we need to advance our companies. Organizations like mine really need people who can have the training at schools that have the technical equipment, the technology used today in our shops, not the manual equipment and technology of 40 years ago. And fortunately, there are some schools out there that do have that, but those people are sniped up as quick as possible because there is many more job openings than there are students. I think part of the problem today is we as parents and counselors at schools or principals or any educators have been so focused on sending our kids to college. We just think that's so critical, and yet there's all this high-tech education type programs that are needed and job openings that we can't fill because our kids are in college studying programs that there are no jobs to fill when they graduate. Our PCJC committee has been very active in trying to fill employment positions. We have a subcommittee, which is high-tech education, and part of that is to fill the positions with the jobs openings that are out there today. So I'm really excited about pulling this pilot program together to be able to serve two needs: to get people back to work and to also help companies like mine be able to grow. This pilot program is really going to align the skills that are needed in companies like mine with what is being taught in the schools today to fill those positions that are currently open and to help us grow our businesses. I think this is a whole new process and a whole new thought for a lot of manufacturers. The idea that we're going to have certifications and credentials for our employees will bring them to a whole new level, and it'll make our HR people know what type of people are already qualified for our positions. I think it's a whole new mindset, and I'm really excited about being able to create a change in the history of manufacturing. Manufacturers and our customers have always talked about a win-win relationship. Well, this is a win-win-win relationship. It's not only the manufacturers and our customers that we supply to, but it's also the people who will be employed by us today, and it will make all of us a better nation.